Hello guys, I am Bhupinder Singh, an English teacher from SDS Public Senior Secondary School and Horizon Career Institute. Today we shall discuss about notice, means notice writing. Actually notice means an information. A notice is a written or printed information that can be in the form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance. Since a notice is primarily meant to inform a large number of people, it must be clear and brief. It is a very important form of written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events and occasions. कहने का मतलब है कि किसी भी ऐसे कोई भी फंक्शन है, कोई भी इवेंट है, कोई भी ओकेज़न है, किसी के बारे में भी सूचना देनी है ऑफिशियली, आधिकारिक रूप से. या आई नो दैट in previous classes you have read about the notice writing, but that notice was ordinary notice. Now it's the time to know about official notice. What is official notice? The main purpose of writing a notice are to provide information regarding an important event that is about to happen or has happened. Publicly display information either in the newspapers or on specific display boards for others to know and follow. Announce births or deaths, announce occasions like inaugurations or sales, make appeals or extend invitations. Okay, now let's know about the types of notices. There are so many types of notices. Different type of notices are as given below. Notice for meeting, notice for events like competition, celebration, annual sports event, cultural festival, winter carnival, etc. It may be annual function also. Notice for lost or found, notice for tours, fairs, exhibitions, campaigns, seminars, workshops, debates, group talk, etc. means group discussion. Notice for appeal, warning, guideline, message in public interest. Notice for change of name, residence, company, bank account, timing, etc. So guys, you can see there are so many types of notices, but when you are going to draft a notice, you have to remember some valuable points to be kept in mind. Write the name of the organization, institution, office issuing the notice. Second thing, the word notice, NOTICE, these 6 alphabets is always written under the name of the organization, institution or office. Next point is date of issuing notice is written on the left hand side. And fourth point is heading, subject, or you can say topic of the notice should be eye-catching, brief and precise. The content must include complete information. It must include the 7 W's of writing, means who, what, where, why, when, in what way and for whom. So these are 7 W's. The purpose of the notice should be very clear. The name and designation of the issuing authority should be mentioned in the last. The language used must be lucid, means clear, and must be written in the third person. It means pronouns like I, you, me, mine, your, our, etc. should not be used. Remember that. Official notice must be written in third person, not in first or second person. Next point is choice of tense will depend on the nature of the notice. For example, in a notice announcing an event, future time, reference will be used more than any other tense forms. The notice should be presented within a box. Means after drafting a notice, you should draw a box. Okay, guys. Now some valuable points are there when you are going to draft a notice. There is sold example. Details value points. The points given below are required while writing a notice for a meeting. First of all, first thing is who has called the meeting. Second thing, agenda or purpose of the meeting. Next, date, time, venue of the meeting. When you are going to draft a notice and when you are writing about the information, then you should write date, time, and venue of the meeting or event or occasion. Who is to attend the meeting? Means, is there any special person or special chief guest or any other dignitaries? Number of persons, departments included, specific instructions for the person called for the meeting, signatory with name and designation. After completion the notice, you have to write left and bottom name and designation. In case of further details, contact person with designation if required. This is not necessary. Okay, guys, there is a sold example. Write a notice for a meeting of security employees with the director of their agency to discuss security hazards and arrive at a specific resolution. Give the agenda of the meeting in the notice. So, first of all, when you are going to draft a notice, you must be remembered 4 things. First of all, you have to write the name of organization or school or office, and there is an organization name is Tiger Security Providers Gurgaon, and then after that in middle you have to write these 6 words, 6 alphabets, sorry, and OTICE, notice. All 6 alphabets must be in capital letters, and then you have to write date. Remember, no need to write DATE, date. Only format of the date, like is given 19th February, 2020 maybe, and then the topic of the meeting, means title of the notice, meeting of security employees. This notice is about meeting of security employees, and then write content or body of the notice. All the security guards and supervisors appointed by Tiger Security Providers Gurgaon are required to attend a meeting to be held in the director's office at 9 a.m. on Friday, 23rd February 2020, or something else. The agenda of the meeting is, then you can write the agenda of the meeting. You can write the agenda in points. The first point is minutes of last meeting for discussion and approval, security hazards, suggestion for better safety, how to overcome complications. For further details, please contact the undersigned. And you can write, you may contact the undersigned for further detail or for more detail. And then write the name of the person who is drafting this notice, and then his designation, his or her designation. जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है डेजिग्नेशन में सेक्रेटरी. ओके, लेट्स सी another example. Again, there are some value points. The points given below are required while writing a notice for events. This is second type of notice: annual, sports event, cultural festival events, competition, celebration. Second type of notice. Who is organizing the event? Second, objective, purpose of occasion, date, time, duration, venue of the event, who can participate, essential qualification, eligibility condition, if required, last date for registering name, depositing the amount, etc., if required, specific instructions, if any, contact person with designation. So there is an example: write a notice for the 10th All India poster making competition to be held in your school on 18th November 2020. Provide the other essential details. So here is the name of the school: GGS Public School, Delhi. You can write name of your school, SDS Public Senior Secondary School. Then write NOTICE. Again, remember that these 6 alphabet must be in capital letters. Then on the left hand side write date, and then topic of the notice, poster making competition, and then content means body of the notice. All the students from class 4 to 11th are hereby informed that the school is organizing the 10th All India poster making competition on 18th November 2020 in the school ground from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. It is a golden opportunity to budding artists to show their talent. So you can write some kind of categories. For example, junior categories for class 4th to 8th, topic child labor. Senior category for class 9 to 12th, topic national integration मीन्स राष्ट्रीय एकता. चाइल्ड लेबर मतलब बाल मजदूरी. अब कुछ भी यहाँ पे कोई भी कैटेगरी, कोई भी टॉपिक जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है, जिसकी डिमांड है, अगर डिमांड नहीं है तो अपने अकॉर्डिंग उसको यहाँ पे चेंज किया जा सकता है. इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स कैन रजिस्टर देमसेल्स विद द अंडरसाइंड लेटेस्ट बाय 10th November 2020. For further details, contact the undersigned. Here you can write interested students can register themselves with the class teacher also. Latest by date, mention the date, and for further details contact the undersigned or secretary of the club. And then write your name, write the name of the person who is drafting a notice. For example, here is Smakshi, and then designation secretary art club. So guys, these are two solved examples. I hope you will get understand. With more examples, I will discuss more notices in next videos. Till then, be happy. Have a nice day. Thank you.